Guys from Kisirmo Channel, this is Casey. Andito tayo ngayon sa Kasyawan Falls. Ito na, Kasyawan Falls. Ang may-ari nito yung cousin ko, ang Pablito Cordita. Mayroon siyang dito, yung cottage. Itong Kasyawan Falls. Tikad to.
Kasyawan Falls.
Guys, we're going to
Guys,
Kasyawan Falls.
please allow us to come inside so we can have a better view of the falls.
This is the one.
This falls has been a very well-known one from since 1970s. And at the moment, it's almost, if we say 70, then it could have
About-
been 30 years ago plus 25, so
About 50 years.
55 years. We will see what happened to the most beautiful mountain resort here in Kabukgayan, and it is situated in Kasyawan, Barangay Kasyawan, Kabukgayan, Biliran.
You,
Atubangan.
oh, you can see that. Yeah.
Camera. Diri. Sige, ito. Para makita mo natin kuan, ang viewhan kuan ba ang bukid, ang mga kuan oh.
You can see that beauty of this Kasyawan Falls. It's really beautiful, guys. I hope you enjoy my content. Maybe one day you can come over here and visit this place, Kasyawan Falls. This is private, owned by former General Cordita, Pablito, but he passed away already. And maybe the family managing this resort or this falls. He own a resort too. 250 pesos a day. Oh, so cheap. So, nandito tayo ngayon. Papunta you can see that tree over there. Napakamataas masyado. Itong cousin ko, Rene, pumunta kami dito noon. Bata pa kami. At least mga 16, 15 o 14. Linalakad namin ito noon. Wala pa itong daan. Ang daan dito hindi pa cement katulad ngayon. Did you see the cliff over there? Oh my God, too deep.
Okay. So high.
Over there. See that? We are going down to the falls right now. I hope you will enjoy. Dadalhin ko kayo sa pinakamagandang lugar nitong. Ang mahirap lang ito pag akyat na naman kaya matas masyado Dahan-dahan lang. Tingnan nyo. We're going. Did you see the coconut tree to the mountain? That's one. I don't know who owned that one. Maybe this one owned by Cordita's family. This. We leave the bike over there. I hope nobody can steal the bike.
Yeah.
Maybe
And we're moving.
if somebody steal the bike, I know who. They called Agta. Puribag. Di mata di kalag.
Sorry po.
Dito kami. Kami gonna watch out Guys, you're gonna watch out only because the slippery. Slippery.
Agila kami ha.
Mga lolo, lola.
Hoping agay yung atanan.
Open kayo nga tanan, naani kami. Na mamasyada lang kami, hinin iyo lugar. Damong salamat. Ang iyo pag karawat amon na usa ka bisita niyo. Ani kami na. Hinahina la. Kay halarom. Damong lumot. Guys, I hope you have patience to watch my vlog. The zone over going down is really deep. Gonna watch out. Dahan-dahan lang. Kailangan ma-exercise kayo, mag-exercise nyo bago pumunta kayo rito. Kay paglakad, ang pag-akyat, ito ang you will struggle a little bit.
Not just a bit.
You will struggle hard.
We will be struggling hard.
You will struggling hard because look, this is the steep. Really stiff, look. You see that? Oh my goodness. See that? Oh, that's one. I don't know, maybe this the place of Tarzan before. Purigaba. I'm just only joking, guys. Okay. We are close now to the, we're gonna, papakita ko sa inyo itong ano. Imagine mo ito na ano.
The nature, the beauty of nature.
This is the natural
Beauty.
beauty of of nature. Kita tingnan nyo, oh. Tingnan nyo. Ito dahan-dahan na tayo dito. Slipper na kay
If
how you see that? Tawag sa amin lumot. Algae.
algae,
Get algae over here. Be careful.
careful,
You can slide
making sure not to slide.
slowly. Magila kami ana ha. Excuse me. Magila.
Yes, please.
Always ask permission because the people who live before us is still here. This is their place. See that? See that over there? Guys, this is a long content of my vlog. Kay
And then,
I'll-
time being, we will have to cut, and then we will show you the next
Okay.
video.
I'll be back, guys.
Showing the
The falls over
falls,
there
yes,
downstairs.
yeah,
Okay?
yeah, mountain falls.
I will be back. Okay, guys, here we are now. This is the place. Oh, far. Far. Far away. Excuse me. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me. When you are going to visit a place like this, you always say, excuse me, because some people who died before us, who lived before us, they are here. They're still here. Okay, guys, this is the one. You can enjoy. This is a Kasyawan Falls. From Kabukgayan to here. The cottage is, the rental is 250 pesos, but nobody managing right now because this one, since the owner passed away, nobody will take care over here. Because the kids, they don't live over here. They live in somewhere else in a city, some maybe in Manila, Tacloban. This is the one. This is a place we went over here before. When we came before over here, it's not like this. This is hard. It's only one way. One way only. Just like one person only can walk. But now look, so wide. Because they renovate this one. This is a place, okay, guys? Now you can see the Kasyawan Falls. This one. They beautified this one. Look, they make a swimming pool. The Kasyawan Falls. That's one. That's the Kasyawan Falls, guys. Okay, guys? Thank you very much from Kisirumat channel. Nandito na tayo ngayon. I reached already my goal to reach this Kasyawan Falls. And shout out lahat ng mga subscriber ko dyan. Maraming salamat from Kisirumat channel. This is Casey.